Hello, Chris Green here with the Flood Insurance Guru. Today we're talking about the FEMA rule book and how it's impossible to understand. So we're going to go through 26 different videos and we're going to talk about each rule when it comes to the cancellation process with the National Flood Insurance Program or your FEMA policy. You know, this is something we probably get here more than anything at the Flood Insurance Guru. So we want to make sure that you understand all these rules when it comes to cancellation. You know, when can you cancel? When can you can't? Are you getting a prorated refund? Are you getting a complete refund? So we're going to talk about all those things in this series. Thank you. Hello, Chris Green here with the Flood Insurance Guru. Today we're talking about Code 13, Reason 13, when it comes to canceling a National Flood Insurance Program policy. And this is basically voidance of the policy before the effective date. This is very common. And there's a few situations where you want to pay attention to this. You know, let's say that you've gone and purchased that National Flood Insurance Program policy. You know, you've got the 30-day wait period. However, if you find a better option in the private market, you can go ahead and cancel this policy because of the 30-day wait. Now, if it took effect today, or let's just say it took effect on the 1st and today's the 2nd, no. This is before the effective date. And if you've paid for it up front with that 30-day wait, or you've set up a future date, then yes, you can cancel it. How's the refund work? Well, actually, you're going to get a full refund. Surcharges, everything, as long as you do it before the effective date. Same thing works with a renewal policy. So this is how Code 13, Reason 13 works when you're canceling a policy before the effective date. So if you've got questions about Code 13, Reason 13 when it comes to canceling your National Flood Insurance Program policy, please reach out to us. FloodInsuranceGuru.com. Go to our YouTube channel and our Facebook page, The Flood Insurance Guru, where we do these daily flood education videos. You can also give us a call, 205-451-4294. Remember, we have an educational background in flood mitigation, which means we can help you understand flood risks like this one right here. Your flood insurance and mitigating your property long term to help you minimize flood losses and flood premiums. Thank you.